Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Greb's Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 Acura TLX Type S. The 2021 TLX Type S is the first model year of the Type S, and actually the first model year of this generation, the TLX actually. 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque, with the 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder and a 10-speed automatic transmission. Alright, well, it looks like the wipers didn't do too great of a job of cleaning the windshield, but yeah. You have the carbon fiber interior trim on this one. You have the orchid interior with the ultra suede inserts, flat bottom steering wheel. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired in this vehicle. Four-piston red Brembo brakes, Tiger Eye Pearl. This is basically like Acura's launch color on the Type S. This has the NSX Y-spoke wheels. But this car, back in 2021, marked a significant event for Acura because this Acura was devoid of a performance vehicle other than the NSX. After Type S stopped being made in 2008 with the TL Type S, a car I actually used to own. That was my first car. I love that car. Type S didn't return for 13 years. And so other than the NSX, there was no performance vehicle in the Acura lineup. So this car marked the return of performance for Acura in the regular lineup, aside from the NSX, which is just an outlier. You have the quad outlet exhaust, looks really good. I've always loved the way the TLX Type S looks. I think it's a very good looking car. But I have multiple videos on the TLX Type S on my channel from multiple model years, if you want to check those out. For today's video, we're just going to get it out on the road and then just see how it sounds and drives. But overall, fun driving Acura TLX Type S. Thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for new and pre-owned Acura Type S vehicles.